The lighting's so dark. Home renovation vlog. Woo! Alright, today we're doing something exciting. I don't know if I'm going to do this like a little series, kind of one room at a time. I might have to, because I don't want this video to be stupid and long. But we are about to take down everything in a room and redo the whole thing. We actually just rearranged it yesterday. I didn't film it before, because we just kind of did it. But we haven't decorated anything yet, so that's what we're going to do today. I'll start off by giving you guys a little tour of what it looks like as of right now. Okay, let me show you guys the room now. So you walk in the door, and there's a closet over here and a bathroom over here, but that doesn't really matter, so I'll show you that first. Alright, so when you first walk in, we have this nice large wall, nothing really on it. We have this poster that was hung up, Biggie poster. Not sure what we're gonna do with this one yet. Some stuff we still gotta unpack, some decorations to go up. We have this nice little mini fridge. Cool stickers, nice. Looks kind of out of place right here. I don't know, it's fine. Next we have this little chair that we got at Walmart. And the stuffed animal. We don't really sit in the chair much, but it looks nice. And then over here, we have some dressers. These ones are Jake's. Just got some of my stuff on here. I'll probably make this look nicer. Just trying to give you a visual of the space. Have a little incense vibe, color changing lights, nice, nice. And then also have this hung up in the room with all these pictures, but I'm about to take these pictures down, or at least like take this apart and do something else with it. So these will be important for something. Taking that apart is gonna be annoying. But this is our window with our nice mountain view. And then on the other side of the window, we have more dressers. These ones are mine. And on top of the dresser is our TV. And normally Jake's Xbox would be here also, but we haven't set that up yet. So now we have this poster, Black Kings, that will be hung up in here. You'll see the whole vision. And then lastly, in this corner is our bed. So our bedside table. Our room looks kind of crusty right now. It's okay though, because this is the before, so it doesn't matter. Mr. Poopy Butthole. Here we have our mirror. And that's the whole freaking room. Okay, so this is what it looks like before, and now we're gonna start decorating, and we're gonna get this shit happy. Okay guys, so we've done a little work. I'll show you the progress. So, first of all, boom, look at it. I put this tapestry right here. You see it? You see it? I put it above the bed. I think it looks really good right there. I feel like it makes the room look a lot bigger. Should I just do this like vlog style? Like I'll show you everything, but just behind me? Ooh, I'm just kidding. Okay, and then over here, as I said earlier, and normally Jake's Xbox would be here also, but we haven't set that up yet. I put that up above the TV that used to be in our living room. I just put it right there. It's really crooked and it bothers the shit out of me because I was putting it up. I asked Jake if it was crooked and he said it wasn't, and now it's crooked. Whatever. And then we have this Chance the Rapper one that I put over here. Originally, I was gonna put them both at the same height, but it actually looked kind of weird. So I just put this one lower down. It just looks like this right here above the dresser. And then we got some little arrangements. You see what's going on. But what I'm working on right now is all of these pictures. I finally took them all off of, honestly, they were all attached to these, you see what it is. But took all the pictures off, and let me give you guys some freaking life advice because I wish someone told me this. Never put double-sided tape on the back of your disposable pictures. Honestly, don't even put them on the back of your Polaroids because taking the tape off the back of these Polaroids is such a bitch, and now they're kind of like sticky. Like you see how I can't move them. They kind of like stick together a little bit, and then on my disposable pictures, the tape honestly just kind of ruined them. I just have tape like this. See if you guys can see it. As you can see, there's like that piece of tape right there just stuck to the back. Yeah, I can't get it off. And I have tape like that on every single one of these pictures. And when you try to take it off, stuff like this happens. And I don't want to ruin all these pictures. So I think I might actually have to just go through and stick a little piece of paper to each piece of tape so it's not sticky anymore, I guess. I don't know, but I'm thinking I might want to hang, I think I might want to do a little like picture wall vibe right here around this vent just to like add a little something. I don't know yet, but that's just my little update And now we're gonna keep working. All right, kiddos. But you did it. Let me show you. So that is what I added. Jake, come look at it. Let me get your reaction.
Talking to me?
Yeah.
What'd you say?
Come look at what I added. I want to get your reaction. He hasn't seen it yet. Turn around.
Oh, wow. I like that a lot.
You like it?
You see? There's so much going on in here, but it's cool. I like it.
So I wasn't sure if you were gonna like it because I know that you're not normally the biggest fan of like the whole Polaroid girly kind of vibe, but I don't know. I just thought it might add like a little something, but it's still like kind of subtle because it's up there, you know?
Yeah, I mean, I don't care too much.
You don't care too much, or you think it's freaking sick and awesome?
I don't care too much.
Well, I think it's freaking sick and awesome. So, next, I don't know. I think I have some extra lights. Don't tell Jake. He might be against it. I have some extra lights that I think I'm gonna put around there. That'd be kind of cute. And then I'm gonna hang this up on this wall. And then I think that's pretty much going to be it for this room. I don't know, what else do I need to add? I'll make the bed. I'll make everything look nicer. I'm gonna, what should I do, Yang? I don't know. I'll do some more stuff and then I'll come back and show you. Hi! Welcome back. It's the next day and the room is finally done. So let's not bullshit. Let's just hop right into it. So first edition, as you can see, we have this nice 7-day of the week whiteboard dry erase vibe. Oh, very nice, functional, and convenient. And right there, right when you walk in. So if you got something to do, write it down. Don't forget. All right, when you walk in, and here's a little overview. First, right above me, as you can see, we have our Polaroid wall. Yeah. Okay. And then, come right here and you see our nice tapestry right above our nicely made bed. And we have a little bedside table. You guys kind of already saw this. This isn't really anything new. But we did add the tapestry, and all the lights will be last. Okay, then we bring it over here. We got the little TV set up. Xbox vibe, TV vibe, Black Excellence vibe. You already know the deal. Then we come over here. You guys kind of already saw this too. We got our little Chance the Rapper shrine, ukulele, some pictures. But we already saw this. Oh, this is new. Biggie Smalls poster hung up. Boom. Probably just leave the mini fridge in the chair as is. And then we relocated the mirror to over here. So that's what the bedroom's looking like now. But that's actually not it because, oh, my hanging plant. I also forgot to show you guys my hanging plant. Look at how cute. It's fake succulents. Jake doesn't like it because it's fake, but I love her. My friend made it for me. Shout out Aliana. I love her. It's beautiful. Where are you manhandling my plant? Are you getting some good angles on it or something? But here's when the party really begins. Party, 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 party. Yeah, so that's the bedroom. All right, thanks for coming in my room. Bye. All right, well that brings us to the end of this video. I didn't film an outro for this part because I thought that I might want to make them all one video, but I'm gonna split it up. So after this, get ready for another transformation of the living room. So exciting, I know. But thank you so much for watching. I hope that you enjoyed, and if you did, please like and comment and subscribe and click the bell because I'm not going anywhere anytime soon. And with all that being said, once again, thank you so much. Thank you so much for watching, and I will catch you on the flip.